Very fancy club. We're on Sunset Boulevard, folks. One of those fancy streets in Los Angeles. This is the Chateau Marmont. For who likes to party hard, you know. Oh, we got pink tacos right about now. Who's up for some Corona? The strip club? Oh my God. Sounds like a 4th of July good time. Cabo Cantina. The Standard Hotel. It's a pretty exciting street. Most of the time. It gets busy at night though. It gets very busy. Saddle Ranch. Good food, good drinks, all the good stuff, folks. All the good stuff you need to be happy. Comedy store.